Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all aspiring entrepreneurs out there. We're going to talk about creating a successful business plan. Having a well-thought-out business plan is essential for any startup or even established businesses looking to grow. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Conducting market research. Before you start developing your business plan, it's crucial to understand your target market. Take the time to gather information about your industry, competitors, and potential customers. This will help you identify your unique selling proposition and develop strategies to differentiate your business from the competition. Once you have gathered enough data, it's time to move on to step 2, defining your business goals and objectives. Think about what you want to achieve with your business. Are you aiming for rapid growth, sustainability, or becoming a market leader? Clearly define your long-term and short-term goals, as well as the specific objectives you need to accomplish to reach those goals. Step 3. Developing a comprehensive marketing strategy. Your business plan should outline how you plan to reach and attract your target customers. This includes your branding, pricing strategy, distribution channels, and promotional activities. Your marketing strategy should align with your overall business goals and resonate with your target audience. Now, let's move on to step 4, creating a detailed financial plan. This is where you outline your revenue streams, projected expenses, and financial projections. Consider factors such as startup costs, operational costs, pricing models, and sales forecasts. A solid financial plan will not only help you secure funding but also serve as a roadmap for managing your finances effectively. Step 5. Identifying potential risks and challenges. Every business faces risks, whether it's market volatility, regulatory changes, or unforeseen circumstances. Identify potential risks and develop contingency plans to mitigate them. This shows investors and stakeholders that you have considered all possible scenarios and are prepared to handle them. Lastly, step 6. Reviewing and revising your business plan regularly. A business plan is not set in stone. It's a living document that should evolve with your business. Regularly review and update your plan based on new market trends, customer feedback, and business performance. This ensures that your business stays on track and remains adaptable to changes. Remember, creating a successful business plan requires thorough research, clear goals, a robust marketing strategy, a solid financial plan, risk management, and regular updates. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a strong foundation for your business. That wraps up today's video on how to create a successful business plan. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.